Okay, y'all, so before we even get into the video, just check out this wig. Do it yourself. Bomb. Hey love, so we are back with another video. So today the hair I'll be featuring is by Ziri. It is their one pack is enough in the lengths 8, 9, and 10 inch. It also is a rod set curl pattern. I've used other curl patterns in the past, which I will have linked down below. All right, the color is in the color 1B. This is a hand-tied closure that is at the bottom. I'm going to show you a couple more details of that closure right here. So as you can see, it is a really nice closure. It does come with a part right directly in the middle. I opted not to use the closure just because I really wanted to make a headband wig. So I'm definitely going to save this for next time. All right, so here is a look at the hair. As you can see, the texture is on point. It is like a more yaki texture, I would say, because it has a lot of texture to mimic African American hair. It also has an amazing rod curl as well, so I love that. And then it also comes with a tag as well, so you know which length you're picking up. Here is just a up close view of the texture of this hair. All right, so absolutely gorgeous. I'm not going to play in it too much because I wanted to keep its curl pattern. Now, this is how it would come packaged with the 8, 9, and then a 10 inch at the bottom. All right, now I opted only to use these two starting off, but I am going to use the 10 inch later. All right, so we've got our blockhead. Let's get into the construction. So for this unit, I am going to be using a mesh wig cap. This is typically what I use to construct all of my units. What you'll see in just a moment is that it's very strong, it's very sturdy, and it's going to be able to stand me cutting into this unit. So that's why I love to use this mesh dome cap. All right, so I'm just going to slip that on and we're good. Okay, to outline areas where I'm going to be cutting, I'm going to be using this white eyebrow pencil. So I'm just going to be putting all of my points here. So as you can see, I've got this point here, which is directly behind my ear. And then that top point in the middle is how far I want the headband to sit on my head. So I'm just going to connect those 2 points. Now the point in the middle is just the middle of my head. You don't need it. Okay. All right, so what I do to one side, I'm going to do to the other side as well. So again, that's the point behind my ear. The point in the middle at the top right there that I'm connecting is the point as far as where I want my headband to sit back. All right, so that is how it looks. Okay, so here is the wefted hair. Now, you get a lot of hair, surprisingly. I did use all 3 bundles, and we're just going to get right into it. I wanted to show you a little bit of where I started with the 8 inch first. So we're just going to go ahead and sew this in all the way up to the white line at the top, and that'll be our stopping point. So I'm going to show you various clips just showing you my progress as I go ahead and I install the 8 inch, then the 9 inch, and then the 10 inch. So here is my progress so far with the 8 inch bundle. All right, and then we're going to go ahead and do our headband kind of like layout so that we make sure that we're not doing anything too crazy in the front. So as you can see, I went ahead and sewed that from left to right, kind of like where the frontal would sit if you had a frontal. I don't know. I don't feel like the explanation was good, but it was good enough. You'll see if you're a visual person like me, you can see what I did there. And this is the completed hair with all the bundles installed. And then, of course, the last step you have to do is just to go ahead and cut everything in the front. And with this sturdy dome cap, you're not going to have anything too crazy happen where you stitched. So you should be good to go at this point. Just make sure that your stitching in the front is very close so that nothing comes undone when you are done with the cutting. All right, so just gonna throw that away and keep going. So this is how it looked. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and add this 2 inch elastic band, which I will have the link for down below. I'm just gonna sew the elastic band right on top of the track. Of course, I have 2 combs in the middle as well, or no, in the top portion, right underneath the 2 inch band, and I've got 2 combs in the back as well. All right, and then just a little trick that I put in is 2 Velcro straps. All right, so these are going to help me secure the unit in the back, which I showed you this in my last video, and I was like, I'm going to incorporate it in this one as well because it just is, it's so sturdy and it works very well. All right, so here I am. I laid my edges. We are good to go. As far as what I used on my edges, I did use the same thing I used in my previous tutorial, the edge booster, and I also used the Shine and Gem conditioning gel extra hold. All right, so we're going to go ahead and throw the unit on. All right, when it comes to putting the combs in, I really like to take my time because I don't want to mess up my edges just because they are not like set in stone, so they can have movement to them. I don't like for my edges to be really, you know, I don't know, just really like stuck in place. Like I want them to still have a little bit of softness to them. So I'm very careful about that. And then I'm just pulling the hair down in the back so that I can go ahead and put those combs in as well. All right. So yeah, I'm loving this first impression of how the unit is sitting. It's sitting very flat and it's actually pretty comfortable on my head, which is why I love to use that 22-inch blockhead because I know with any of my units, it just is a perfect fit for me. All right. And then I just secured that Velcro in the back and honey, this fit is on point. I'm loving this whole entire look. Like it came together. All right, I did go ahead and put this headband together. Listen, I know I need to run to the beauty supply store to go and get a headband, but I gotta use what I got, you know what I'm saying, to complete this full video. And then I'm definitely gonna run to the beauty supply store later on this week to go and grab some headbands. All right, so we're just gonna go ahead and slip that on. All right, so that is how it looks with the headband. Now I do want to fluff out the parts just a little bit because we sewed this unit all together. You are going to be able to see some tracks at first, but once you fluff it out, and you should be able to tease it enough to where those parts won't be visible. And of course the kinky texture of this hair makes everything blend together, so you won't even see the tracks at all. Okay, so this is how it looks. Girl, I already know this is a look. Like this is definitely going to be in my throw on and go collection. Yes, honey. I thought I was going to unravel the curls, but I feel like they're better left just untouched because you get that little bit of definition, and I love a little bit of frizz as well, so it makes the hair look a lot more natural. So let me show y'all some styles. Let me show y'all. Okay, so here's the first hairstyle. This is the half up, half down hairstyle. I love this hairstyle. This is definitely one of my go-tos. All right, and this style as well, I just have everything thrown to one side. This is perfect for Valentine's Day, perfect for any holiday, any type of special occasion. I just feel that this is a really good look. Now, I did go ahead and switch it up just a little bit by adding a curl to one side, and this also is a really nice look. This is definitely one that I would rock right away. All right, and then we've also got the jumbo bun. This is a lot of hair, girl, but this is definitely something you can pull off, especially with a nice turban. All right, now this look is just a bun with all the hair going down. Gorgeous waterfall look. Okay, and then just for the final look, I've got a bun with some curls down to the side. This is also really, really cute. So that's a wrap on today's video. If you guys have any questions, you already know to leave them down in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. All right, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.